Hello dear fans. How to get copper sulfate. Copper sulfate has found wide application in everyday life, medicine, and technology. This compound is a derivative of copper sulfate. It is obtained in the course of a multi-stage process, each stage of which is a certain chemical reaction. Instructions. Step 1. Under normal conditions, copper sulfate CuSO4, 2, is a white crystalline salt. However, when droplets of liquid or water vapor get in, this salt easily turns into copper sulfate. At the same time, it acquires a bright blue tint. Solutions, where the moisture is 1/3 of the solid or more, are used in industry, for example, as a rust remover. Another name for copper sulfate is chalcanthite. It has the following formula: CuSO4*5H2O. Step 2. Initially, copper sulfate is usually obtained. The reaction is as follows: CuO plus H2SO4 equals CuSO4 plus H2O. This reaction is carried out during the industrial production of this substance in the presence of hot air, while copper oxide is formed, which interacts with sulfuric acid. The laboratory process for obtaining copper sulfate is somewhat different, since only copper and sulfuric acid are involved, but, nevertheless, it is similar to the previous one. In this case, in addition to water, sulfur oxide SO2 is also released, and crystals of the CuSO4 salt precipitate, Cu plus 2H2SO4 equals CuSO4 plus SO2 plus 2H2O. These two methods can be used to obtain crystals of copper sulfate or copper sulfate. In the future, on their basis, you can prepare a blue solution of copper sulfate. A pure solution of copper sulfate is obtained by sequential evaporation and dilution of this solution with acid. To do this, the resulting copper sulfate is heated to 50 degrees to form crystals, and then again diluted with sulfuric or hydrochloric acid. The process is repeated until all impurities have evaporated. The crystals are then dissolved in water. Step 3. When exposed to water vapor or moisture, white copper sulfate crystals turn blue. With more water, a blue solution is obtained, which is used in agriculture as an insecticide and fertilizer, in medicine as an antiseptic, and in everyday life as a component for preparing paints. It is also used industrially as a component in the copper plating process and solution base for electroforming. But the main purpose of this substance is pest control in agriculture. It combines both fertilization and prophylactic agent against diseases of trees, shrubs, and plants. In addition, due to the copper content, other compounds can be easily obtained from this solution, since copper is an active substance. Thanks for watching.